If you worked from home in 2025 and you're self-employed, you're probably missing out on thousands of dollars in legal tax deductions. Most freelancers overpay taxes, not because they don't make money, but because they don't know what they can write off. In this video, we're breaking down the top 10 tax deductions every freelancer should know, even if you're just doing it part-time. This isn't boring IRS speak, it's real-world, money-saving info. Stick around, because the last few deductions are seriously underrated, and most freelancers miss them entirely. Before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. When you're self-employed, you don't get tax taken off your paycheck. You pay taxes after your income comes in. But here's the kicker. You're taxed on profit, not income. That means income deductions equals taxable profit. So the more legitimate deductions you claim, the less you owe. Let's make sure you're not giving Uncle Sam more than you should. Number 1. Home office deduction. This one's huge and legal. If you use a dedicated space in your home exclusively for work, you can deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, property taxes, and more. There are 2 ways to claim this. Simplified method, $5 per square foot, up to 300 square feet. Actual expense method, a percentage of your actual home expenses. Example, if 10% of your home is your office, you can deduct 10% of your electricity, rent, water, and more. Number 2. Internet and phone bills. If you use your phone and Wi-Fi for work, you can write off a portion of those bills. Most freelancers deduct around 70 to 90% of their phone and internet costs, as long as it's reasonably connected to your business. Just keep the receipts and highlight the business use. Number 3. Business software and subscriptions. Do you use Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, QuickBooks, Notion, Google Workspace, or Zoom? If it's used to run your freelance biz, it's deductible. Even YouTube Premium counts if you use it for business research or content creation. Number 4. Equipment and tech. Your laptop, monitor, camera, microphone, lighting, all deductible. Depending on the item's cost, you might be able to deduct it fully in the year you bought it, Section 179, or depreciate it over several years. Keep the receipts and label your gear by use, business versus personal. Number 5. Travel expenses. If you traveled for work, even locally, you may be able to deduct flights, hotels, Ubers, or gas, 50% of your meals during the trip. Freelancers attending conferences, client meetings, or content shoots in other cities often forget this. Keep records, document the purpose, and snap photos of receipts. Number 6. Meals and coffee, client lunch, business meeting at a cafe. Meals tied directly to business can be 50% deductible. And in 2025, if you're entertaining a client or taking a contractor out for a strategy session, it counts. Just don't try to deduct every Starbucks you drink alone. Keep it legit. #7. Banking and transaction fees, PayPal fees, Stripe transaction cuts, bank monthly fees. These are operational costs, and they're all deductible. Even that $15 business checking account fee adds up over a year. Number 8. Education and courses. Did you buy an online course on marketing? Enroll in a business coaching program. Read paid newsletters. As long as it improves or supports your freelance work, you can deduct it. Learning is part of your business growth, and the IRS agrees. Number 9. Business gifts. If you sent a client a thank you gift, or bought a small gift card to appreciate a collaborator, you can deduct up to $25 per gift recipient per year. Keep it tasteful. Keep a receipt, and note who and why. Number 10. Health insurance. If self-employed, if you pay for your own health insurance and you're not eligible for an employer's plan, you might be able to deduct 100% of your premiums. This includes medical, dental, and vision. It doesn't go under business expenses, but can still reduce your overall taxable income. Bonus tips. Gives mileage. Track every business-related drive with an app like MyLake or Stride. Gives office supplies, paper, pens, storage, hard drives all count. Gives marketing, Facebook ads, website hosting, domain names totally deductible. Freelancers, your tax bill doesn't have to be scary, but most overpay simply because they don't track and claim what's theirs. So keep receipts, use a tracker or spreadsheet, and consider using software like QuickBooks Self-Employed or Keeper Tax to stay organized. Remember, these are legal, IRS-approved deductions. You just need to know how to use them. Outro CTA 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Drop a comment. Which deduction surprised you the most? Want a free checklist of these 10 deductions? Click the link in the description. Like this video if it saved you money. Subscribe for more freelance finance hacks every single week. Don't pay more taxes than you have to. Work smart. Keep more. Thrive.